Hello my fellow viewer. Today I'm going to show you how to make the attachable cable for full-size headphones. This tutorial will help you for almost every over-ear headphones. For this, just like other DIY tasks, we will need soldering kit with some instruments like drill, superglue, wooden firm 3.5mm socket for corpse and 3.5mm plug for a new detachable cable. Let's finally get to work! Detach left ear cushion, then cut the existing cable, then unscrew the screws. When it's done, take out the original cable and rubber cable protector. Then try on our new 3.5mm socket and check if this dark hole needs to be expanded. Expand the hole and again try on the socket. Looks great, it even holds without glue. Detach the old cable from speaker and check if the new socket does not disturb the construction. You need to cut off everything that disturbs and affects the speaker. And again check if nothing disturbs it. Looks good, man! Take out the new jack. To resume our work, we will need 3 cables. You can use old cable or any other cable from your collection. Then prepare cables for soldering and, of course, solder them. Then do the same for the end of the old cable. Take those 3 cables and solder them to our jack and glue it in a new place. Don't forget to greatly strengthen it and put some glue on the other side too. Then carefully smolder cables from jack to speaker. Take our 3.5mm plug, connect it to the new socket and check with multimeter if all contacts are correctly folded. If everything looks okay, load back the headphones. Put on earpads and appreciate the result. I think it looks very good, beautiful and great quality. One more thing we need to do is put 3.5mm plug on original cable, so we can use headphones with new mod. Take original cable, whom we already prepared for soldering, and solder it to plug, strengthen it and solder all vanes according to standard. And this is our final result, headphones with the detachable cable mod. Now you can always replace broken cable or connect it where you need. I don't know about you, my friend, but this is one of my favorite mods I have made, and it even looks like just from factory. Good luck! Don't forget to click that thumbs up thingy, subscribe and comment your results. Thank you!